Alright, welcome to Shabit Uganda e-learning. This is our next video on the questions of solving. The question of solving what? Solving multiplication of numbers. That is an operation of whole numbers. So we shall be able to look at some other questions that we are not able to complete. And here are they. Okay. So we had these questions. We are able to work out our question A and B. Then we are going to be working out with our question C. Okay, our question C and our question D. So in our question C, you can see they are saying we have a library which has 16 shelves of books. Okay, hope you know shelves. Okay, hope you all know shelves. They are saying shelves. This is where our books are put. And then they are telling us that we have a library. It has 16 shelves of books with 256 books on each. Okay, 256 books each. Okay, so this simply means if we have the 16 shelves, but in this shelf, each of these shelves of books with 256 books on each shelf. Okay, so they're asking us how many books are in that library. We have the 16 shelves, but each shelf is having 256. So they want us now to know how many books are in that library. Okay. So also our part D, they are saying there are 32 classrooms in Kadrin Primary School. Then they are saying if the classroom has 109 pupils, how many pupils are in that school? Okay, so let's start with our part C of what? Our part C of shelves. They want us to find how many books are in that that library. Okay. So let's also find somewhere to do that. Okay, let's find somewhere to do that. Okay, so they are talking about 100 and what? Let me get a pen here. They are telling us we have our 16 shelves. Okay, let me write it here. 16 shelves. Okay, then they are saying that in each, okay, they are saying in each, I'm writing that symbol to represent what? Each is having 256, okay? Each shelf of this is having 256 books, okay? So these are what? These are books. These are shelves. Okay, so they want us to find the total number of books within that library. Okay, so for us to get our total number of books, our total number of books, our total number of what? Our total number of books is going to be equal to the 250 and 56. The 256 then times the 16 the 16 shelves. Okay, so we just need to multiply this for us to get those shelves. So we shall come here and say what is 6 times 6 is 36. So you write 6 and carry what? 3. 6 times 5 is 30. Then our 30 plus 3, you get 30 what? 33. You also carry 3. 6 times 2, you get 12. Then 12 plus 3, we get our 15. Okay. So we also say 1 times 6, which is a 6. Okay. 1 times 5, which is a 5. 1 times 2, which is a 2. And then here now we add this for us to get our final what? Our final answer. Then after getting our final answer, then we add. This is 6 and a 0. It is a 6. 6 and a 3, we get 9. Then 5, we get 10. We write a 0. We carry 1. Then 1 plus 2, we get a 3 plus our 1 we carried. They become 4. So in simple term, we can say that the total number of books now within our library, there are 4, then 0, 96. So there are 4,096 what? 96 books within that shelf. Okay, so let's look at another number. We see what it wants. So in another number, they are telling us that we have 30 what? We have 32 classrooms. Okay, that is in this school, and they are saying that each classroom has 109 pupils. Each has 109 pupils. Okay. Then they are asking how many pupils are in that school. Okay. We have a classroom of this. Then let's come and find where to work our number from here. So in our number which is given, this is part what? This was part C. So this is going to be our part what? Our part D. Okay. Let me do this. That is going to be our part what? Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay. Let me see that. Let me solve that. Okay. So we are saying this is going to be our part what? Our part D. And in our part D, we are having, they are telling us that we have 32 what? 32 classrooms. Okay. Our 32 what? 32 classrooms. Let me go back to where we are. We have our 32 what? 32 classrooms. Let me write them here. So in our 32 classrooms, they are saying that in each class we are having 109 pupils. Okay. Pupils. These are the number of students within each class. So we have 32 classrooms. So if they want us to find the total number of pupils in all the classrooms, that simply means we shall be able to say our 109 times our 30 what? Our 32. Okay. This is just multiplication. We say what is 3 times 9? Someone to get for us 3. 3 times what? 3 times 9. This is the same as 9. 9 3 times, okay? So let me go back. This is where we are. We are saying when you say 3 times 9 is the same as 3 times, then you add them. This is the same as 18, then that is 20 what? Okay, sorry. Let me get this, get back. This is our 18. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, that is 27. Okay, so when you say 3 times 9, we get 27. We write a 7, we carry 2. What is 3 times 3 times 0? We get a 0 plus 2, we get our 2. Okay, then we say what is 3 times 1? We get our 3. Then we come here. What is 2 times 9? 2 times 9, we shall be able to get our 18. So we write 8 and carry 1. So what is 2 times 0? We get 0 plus 1. Okay, becomes 1. 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay, so we can now be able now to add this and say here is a 0 and also here is a what? Is a 0. So this is the same as 8. Also 8. Hope someone is picking. 7 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. This is also 3. So that simply means that we have 3,488 pupils in what? In all that classroom. So we should be able to write what? Should be able to write pupils. Be able to write pupils such that our answer is not what? Our answer is not hanging. So for that, that's how we shall be solving numbers of multiplication. Please, thank you very much for being part of this. Stay blessed. See you in the next video.